Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use Chatgpt plugin. Now it's a very easy process. So all you have to do is firstly open your Chatgpt, then just simply go to the bottom right corner, then just simply click on the three dots at the bottom left corner. Now from there just simply click on the general settings. Now from there just simply go to the settings option, then go to the beta features over here and enable the plugin option. Now after that just simply click on the GPT-4. Now over there you will find a drop down box, so click on that, and right over there you will find two options, default and plugin. So just simply click on plugins. Now after that you will notice that you will have a pop-up on your screen, so just simply click on OK, then just simply click on plugin store over here. Now over here just simply choose whichever plugin you want. So now you can download and install anyone. Now as you can see, I've installed two plugins over here. Now after the plugins are installed, you will be able to see them over here. So currently you can only install 3 plugins at a time. Now after your plugins are installed, try to use those plugins. So let's say you want to use any of the plugins, so just simply ask ChatGPT whatever you want. So I'm just simply going to ask the weather because one of the plugins is connected to internet, that is giving ChatGPT access to current data. So in that way, using that plugin, I can get the current and accurate data. So as you can see, it is loading directly from the plugin over here. Now within a few seconds, it will give you the entire data and completely accurate data. Now if you want to use the other plugin, again let's book a flight. So if you want to book a flight, just simply do the same process and just simply ask ChatGPT to book a flight for you. Then ChatGPT will literally look into the plugin and then it will access all the flights. Then it will get you a flight that is depending on your budget and the place you are going. So it will bring up all the data for you and a link where you can click and book the flight yourself. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to our channel. Take care.